Namaste. I am Samir Vyas, Senior Faculty at the Yoga Institute, Santa Cruz, Mumbai. And today we are going to speak about how 5 minutes of Nadi Shodhana can change your day. According to traditional yoga and tantra scriptures, our entire body consists of 72,000 to 84,000 nadis, or subtle channels through which the prana circulates throughout the body. Prana is nothing but vital bioenergy which helps us survive and thrive in this world. Now, out of these 72,000 channels, there are two main nadis or channels which can be accessed by us on a physical level. These two channels are known as Ida and Pingala. Ida, or the moon channel, represents the left hand side of the body, and it represents the quality of cooling, intuition, creativity and relaxation. And the Pingala channel represents the right hand side of our body. It represents vitality, activity, energy and movement. Now, balance of both these Ida and Pingala channels is vital for our normal health and circulation. Commonly, only one particular nostril is active during a particular given time throughout the day. This particular nostril stays active for a couple of minutes to about an hour and a half, and then it changes over. The cycle keeps on repeating throughout the day, and balancing the activation of both the nostrils can bring about manifold benefits to us on a physical and a mental level. The primary benefit that it brings about to us, a calm of our mind and balancing of our entire autonomic nervous system. According to modern sciences, the right nostril or the Pingala Nadi represents the sympathetic nervous system, which is activated in fight and flight situations. And the left nostril or the Pingala Nadi represents the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the rest and digest system, which facilitates resting, digestion and absorption of food, and also healing and reparative and restorative work in our body. So balancing both these nostrils becomes very, very important if we lead a harmonious, healthy and a balanced life, which is filled with enough amount of activation and rest one after the other. And one very, very effective and easy techniques to bring about this balance of our entire autonomic nervous system is known as Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Nadi Shodhana is also a purification of our nadis or a cleansing of our nadis. And Nadi Shodhana Pranayama practice can be done by every individual. It's a relatively safer practice. It has many benefits. The first and foremost benefits is it has tremendous beneficial effects on our cardiovascular system. It brings down our resting heart rate. It brings down our blood pressure. It increases our heart rate variability. And also it brings about an improvement in the oxygenation of our blood and improved release of carbon dioxide from our bloodstream back into the environment. It also has a very, very beneficial impact on our respiration and our vital capacity and all the other respiratory markers, all the other respiratory volumes put together. Also, it has a very deep psychological impact, a deep impact at our psychological level, where it brings about a reduction in our anxiety. It brings about calming of our mind. It brings about an increase in concentration and improvement in focus and motivation. So these are the very many benefits if practiced on a regular manner. The technique is very, very simple. The technique involves forming your right hand into a Vishnu Mudra. For Vishnu Mudra, Nasikagra Mudra or Pranava Mudra, take your right hand, get your right index finger and right middle finger to the root of your thumb. Then turn the hand around. Now take a deep breath in, exhale out completely, and then close both the nostrils with your right index finger and right thumb. This is the starting position. Now from here, we'll release the ring finger and then inhale from our left nostril as much as we can comfortably. Then close the left nostril with our ring finger, open our thumb and then exhale out through our right nostril. And then immediately inhale from the right nostril and exhale out through the left nostril. This entire cycle is one round. In one sitting, we can practice up to 30 rounds of Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Practice this pranayama regularly and it will bring about the change in the way you feel and go throughout your day. Namaste. Have a wonderful day ahead. Aapka din shubh ho.